Good morning, children. Children, before going to start our today's class, let's say a small prayer. Thank you, God, for giving us another beautiful day. So, children, now let's proceed with our today's topic. And the topic is English tenses, present tense, past tense and future tense. Further, these tenses are categorized into 4 categories: simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Children, we have already completed the present tense and 2 of the categories of past tense, that is simple past and past continuous tense. Today we are going to learn about rest of the 2 categories of the past tense, that is past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. So let's talk about the third one, that is past perfect tense. Now the questions are, what is this tense and when do we use it in English? So let's try to understand the answers of these questions. It is used for the past action already finished when another past action happened. For example, after the film had started, we arrived. It is used for unreal or imaginary things or wishes in the past. For example, we wish we hadn't eaten so much. It is used for the past action that started in the past and continued up to a given time in the past. For example, I had never seen him for 5 days. It is used in reported speech after verbs like said, told, asked, etc. For example, she said she had swum. So, children, let's see some more examples to make it very clear. Some of the positive sentences. First one, I went there after I had completed the task. She had came late to the school. Third one, she had done her homework, so she was happy. Fourth one, he had lived in Florida for 10 years before he moved to California. Next one, they had gone out when you called. By the time we came, she had finished the project. Now, let's see the negative sentences. First one, they had not been married when I was born. Second one, until he went to England, he had not spoken English. Third one, you had not studied hard. Fourth one, she had not done her homework, so she was sad. Fifth one, he had not lived in Florida. Sixth one, they had not gone out when you called. Question sentences or interrogative sentences. Had they been married when I was born? Had he spoken English until he went to England? Had she done her homework? Had he lived in Florida? Had they gone out when you called? And the last one, that is, had the woman cried till the morning? So let's proceed to another one, that is the fourth one. Past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense is used to describe the action that was not completed by a certain date or time in the past. We can say that we add the ideas of the past continuous tense to the idea of the past perfect tense. In other words, affirmative sentence, you had been running. Negative, you hadn't been running. Interrogative, had you been running? Next one, affirmative, he had been running. Negative, he hadn't been running. Interrogative, had he been running? Next one, affirmative, she had been running. Negative, she hadn't been running. Interrogative, had she been running? Next one, he had been running. Affirmative. Negative, it hadn't been running. Interrogative, had it been running? Then the next one, they had been running. Negative, they hadn't been running. And interrogative, had they been running? Last one, affirmative, we had been running. Negative, we hadn't been running. And the interrogative, had we been running? So children, I hope the topics past perfect and past perfect continuous are clear to you. That's all for today, children. Take care and be safe and have a nice day.